going on in Uganda. And the covenant of paying a power, my babe, or meanwhile, boss make a team. Boss make a team, and a teaching the Shua West, fellow member of parliament. O'Keefe PP, Utiola and Walker for that position. But I'm seeing people are really talking bad about Boss Mego team, which Pangel Pingo, Getia Timo, Lo Lemrat Kiren comment what. And yeah, that if we see our Boss Meg, his political situation started, yeah, he jumped back and forth, NRM and independent, all those. He was everywhere. I'm not like defending him, but again, I'm also like against what he did. This is for the Acholi community, Acholi people. And I'll be mixing a lot with talking a lot in Acholi and English at the same time. And to Pomero Waneni, Ngoma Utim, Utimo, Medla Kameda, Tung Chingagamente, Bergin Maraj, Unyo Bergin Mabe, Tiki Manwich. Para maduogo chien kero chao kere, but ikar ma boss me tiyo gi Bobby Wine in the People Power Party. Boss me, he was a very good mobilizer. Itong kumalama Uganda. Ka indana ma Uganda, iningeo kiragamente omegwa tiyo kere Uganda. Ma boss me, ikar ma eno chao cielo ko Bobby Wine. No bene kon kinero. Gamente me Uganda kono nero boss me go team waka. Mano wachami ore bene pere ne chala pian ke gino show mega na weng pa ben yo mero kat ka mo mun ga ke kar le long ken ko mai gumo per la tian malangwe kar mano put ko mai tibulu no be langwe yomo mo yomo ke tiana wa ka ni ko e kar ma dong bu wanda ho be lak ne ko boss me pe mio dong kwan mo boss me ker na dong pere ati ka kilo kwena ngo wa boss me tien ano la ka chero tung chinga gamente. Now, bo wana wow konyiri mata mia piar bit ma chwalo Uganda me konyo mobilizing ipate na people power. O kera chile tung kumala mata na wa ga tung Kampala Kenya. Kabos ne waje bo wana ya omar in ping opede chwal mo ko wakan. Pien kan me long e duong ngage. No mero bo wana tampi jumatung kumalo bena. Eto enipo time ba enipo time. Boss me kitwe buch pingo and travel bo wen. Pingo te ka tiki ngara pe ye kom kamente. Boss me no tia kemi kom kamente pian yang ke wa ko kar kui mu karange. Pe ke chulo en. Chi rum o musée kwe che musée obiro nyir luo nyir chero state house ma ke mio chena ma mege ki bolo wiye mutaka bene na chawne boss me tigi den patamende ra maka boss me tamo mere mi ngoli tuwe ni weko ti ching tungamente she the thing might not end up well for him but ana ti wego boss me ti wego ana neno daga niang pingo nyiri ye me dak ching tungamente lutino pa nyiri no mero cham dako pa nyiri mero cham ya dako mero karo wiye ketna mero wila nyiri timo gima moko ni wego po mero bedo ukuga kora mero yeny gi kome kar ma yam chon cha wege a chero ka dwai tim ka chero neko tino nyiri digi che gwa du ka yara nyo ru daka chero neko ba ke du ku yu beren mon kwer gena liara lat ki maren in muri yu but nyiri ni nen ma mega nyiri ulake udak bot ka mente ya nywa ma jo position chao kere komen gimeto ti ano pege chulen ikar ba nyiri ti pego ti bwaro en ke goyo ba nyiri ngweje ki remo wiye di gulu kenyo unu neno bene we appoint neno ma chiel bas me ugona chim bara walok na wan kere be teta ngoma tega time ngoma gamende tim komen nyiri kono Nikono to kanino penyo la ka dara tinga chingamente nuko nyiri ke onyo ngame wiye utemo kelo nieni mechung mano pud no pod la ka chingamente warga kwana utemo winyo loke keje nywen warga kwan ma nyere ta kerman ikar ma nyere la ka chingamente gamo chako biono mere mu kwe warga releasing uh, nying cho la ka but one get tung kumalo ya dagar kan amar pa chwa tempa gamente ento bosmake o yeme daga ching tung gamente ke gwa jogang ma mege ke kwa ma mege ku bero batika nene ku yokar ku bero nena di manen Bobby went to was arrest for nothing monti mo rum gang banyere cha ite agwa kama cha kite gwa prison ane ken kite gwa ke monya ye monyo pon rum gang banyere te where he cannot live tema yo temo ne cherga laega ngwe tage jogo ki bolo gornet e como taga ma skiti na yo na wana ye chema ja awajo mano put kui pe gene no internet funa pe ngole Uganda awajo pe ngoma obi teme man tika teme ni no food beno be made ki teme yeah we want Museveni to leave we want Museveni to go but wabero wang'eyo ni remo be on ye maduong' wadok about boss make jomo kene tika wan ya nyiro mero o ao dako tiat yutung Sudan no sirja ma Sudan wa ber wiyo kwe jama pen ngar pa mer nyiri boss we me on wait metek bada bod okien pipi ma okien dare parliament ene obetio ma wiyo bi yaper piano nena ni ya tike okiro te me ma bira nyim pa bida pinga pa wa fuyo ngo ma nyiro timo po wakero kwi obed chalo gin ma dege kendwa po wakero politik obed chalo gin ma riemo luworewa wan Acholi wakero politik cha moken karo wa ma pa wan dano motie chunywa yeah iga weng la loy bedo tie la choko bedo tie bot mo wero weni kilo en tin kwi en po mero wa kwero en ya en piano la tere tunga mente la tere tung bot jume kono NUP o dago dag bot tunga mente tigal dano ma chabata ni tiga yen yo kuone bot me tiga yen yo me kuone well family ma mege obed maber na yeah un jomo neno politik chalo gimo mero pe dong opokgi i kome weko wen ya nier tiga chabaleta ni ti cha dukan ma en mana wen en ti cha dukan i charo bon ngan mo bino ki chen me wilo ne but ka che koni let mo wai ko boss me gen ya mero ke tama ngabram yen bot boss me ana wai mere like this it wasn't a good idea was not a better idea to go to the government but was a smart move boss me odong la ten ki en oneno ni po mero tieno me odong kich yeng ngama gamente wachi pien ke kwero gamente ma Museveni niki wako weko nyiro lako dak weko lutiene po odong kich maber na amete aluong boss me obino show mega chi wach bora chuna ti da amete o out chere radio station ni obino show mega o chere radio station mega ni kidgum o congratulating o kin pp me winning when ake bie pa ngara chira chela no wele pe be rom a tung pukin ge lo mega boss me eno eneni po mer kela poka poka ken jo me chwa wes an pela ten chwa but ana ten Acholi nen mali ka che watiga lweni kom boss me pe ngom en utimo me dok tung chinga mente boss me ochung ki wan kar me lweni wer we me pon we me jingo twin we ma per pere chi pe ngo ko berni watiga logo lep ma po pore ya nyiri lebe tie ke rao ger yiri bada ma eni gina an pa chwa ki tung bot en ben is like your greatest strength at the same time is your weakest moment. So ka chenen kon wa bilo ngo mano pingo nyir wer do dok tung borgamente neno wa dok chen ma punni ne peti borgamente tike tiki bo wan ko pa nyino tiningo pe buru we ore o ma video mo ni amo o kana ti corridor umeke blanket pi luor pi kuore ya da lweny no tumi ya Acholi pudo ka pud dam tiang wedwe chawani che upenyo ni pingo nyiro lake kunu neno nyiro kera kuot no tia kuo kere ka ucher yedi pe ucher kanya be bad ben po chero nyiro ne cher pe gwako kuone wero tiano mege po dong kich mitini kich udong atung kumalo maduong mada Pien ngomer wacho mkana aini meka ka kwero utim nyuwa ini mano betimo ngo madong kilo yana ko beri kwini ukemo ngo kano baza mula life have to go ahead ichere piem itemo kikori kaba ke lo ye you do something else which means people did not take you for that you go and find something else we pa boss me te we lo chawane mana ngeo be ne uno waje mere kono boss me uh, kono dak tong kwene kono po betong chole pian maro kamente po lo rock gere lo rock dongu kelo gitugni gunywano bakere ho but po mer bet mio pa wana chole ye me kwer la tenwa pingo malo rock ukelo tiga nywano ke wan kere power care politics to be like a divider in our region. Let's use politics just like a group where you can pick somebody because not everybody can come in independent. But let's just after the election, we just come back together and work together as a family. Kaka chule waribu chingwa me timo ngome dolo megwa. Mawa yer me la tiana chule. Ngeno ken pipi pero machero tiyo gimara pichwa this time. Pien boss me piem ki en bero neno temo ki kome kenya. Ket bero lo chui ma ngeo ni tiang ngweje wiye bene tamani ya kache ya timo ming boss me ko bibion lo maka biro nyim ko ber ni tang ya dek ma boss me ko tuji chwa tangi maromo mia chiel ma u repairing pi makar ke iye bino NRM pi makar ke iye kal na tie watiga mar pi maleng ko bere o akwero en dipingo kwen ka chero ye chero ma yene kuona wek mabino wachiu e karo bas watiga biero kwe unbero ng'e tini bas me betie chwal government 100% weti any moro ting la dir lowo ni ineno wae chi imogo ni ang'e do dong lach dong bodo twal anyim chok unu ng'e leba chuli otame nyiru chero chinga mente pingo yen gino popiria chan gera tie ang'e chan nena chiel romo gi chan ber chalo bero chabiat maka bit mane mage yar nyeri yeni chagwako betum yo chagwak bene po betum ang'e ni pege yar en maka bit ma ukwalo en waneno ndo ka bitiak maka bit en man leba chuno bas me ba wachu meka winyo ng'oma uwajo ng'udoka neno kala ma rugo meka neno ang'a nen kum dana ye po nen kala bon manongi kelni pariuruk blue pariuruk red pariuruk uye dano ma uneno obitelo kit maber oyiero kin pipini eni ane otio maber bos me take responsibility chawani 2020 okay 2019 2020 obedo ga ng'wech ma komo cheko wek don 2021 ino ngiro chak relaxing kong do bet kong wiyo pie wek ngiro bedo mariam mare tir to in a ten gang ya man ini kwana mate waje boru ba un actually un jume chwa west ya chulu long ya dan take a posting pedongon chwa kemba when ya boss McDo por kuyo, what can you tell him? What do you want me to tell him? Oh, we're sorry you did not win. He knows he did not win. For me, what I just tell him that you tried this, it did not work for you. We always with you do what you always been doing. Educate Ugandan, educate. Any ngomara why the boss make. Ma, I also noticed he has deleted his Facebook page. Kachingarma can connect Bosmic to my page. I would like to talk to him and I would like to bring him in the show just that he tell actually people mom and you made a timone. I know Mogati but actually and it actually. Then one wanker was a queen for Becar. Get a no an mature machara pim jo kin pipi. Mutano be yaran. Go. Chagwaka but kerong yaro kin pipi ni. Kin pipi ngene atini ya ma ende learning. Kati learning any bell Jordan away. Can the hotel tell a year between me dog gang. Jobu kind of one being kachil rip ching da year. Actually mirror ribu ching. We don't wa lubu ko down or kwen ka down to any. Chamaja waja boro atini. One actually we are behind like with 30 years behind the just part of Uganda. All part of Uganda, we are 30 years behind. So we just need to come back together. This election has passed. Let it go. Juma put mero lwen me chero ka gana me udani ya ge kwalo kuir ngage ge chere kod no juma tiki chene ngage en me ko tir ni o bien o piro ke otien o kur kwana cha ke chulo tin an kwan. We have to just come back together. Leave that politics go. Waribu ne wono po watiako lwenyi kom juma poro koni otim ngage en no po be konyo wa poko wa nono kero wan actually nono. Awaja chama ti awacho wek lwenyi ondo uga kitung bor lurok kuja. Lurok be nyweno wan di bwaro wan ye. Make it take a down. Remember, one was done 30 years behind. Gain 30 years ahead. So anything they do will be affecting one more than to affect them. So in Dong Chung Boro, kache in atena chula with you or bien wunu kachiel wa ribu chenga wek wa don gang wa meg wa ye wa weka poko baby. Kache ngar uno compose me or you have the contact of boss me. You can send me his phone number or his WhatsApp number in my Facebook page. Just find me Jimmy Carter, Carter with Kater. Or you can send me on WhatsApp direct. WhatsApp Omega TA +1 801 970 2410. Che wek ana kube ki en bene. Weko bino mora chule ti yamo. Mora chule ti show Omega. Wek bene ana watch time Omega bot en ati me. For me, I was proud of what he did. And like Lieutenant Boss me no be dans le bon en. Kachi ni ye nene po no la. Any bag and no ta. Boss make take a legacy. Chawan ma need protection. So the time I've been my watch away in the man now. Catching a I can take a time more can be queen carry actually. No pay time I can be in a show. My mega put a tear like 30 minutes ago. NZE live show about the LRA abduction, LRA war in northern Uganda. You are most welcome because I'll be sharing the stories, my experience every week, every Monday at 10 a.m. California time. In Uganda, it's always around 9 a.m. 9 p.m. Ugandan time. And if you're other part of the country, just Google the time. If California time is 10 a.m., what time will be wherever you are? So we can come together and discuss this. And as NZE Foundation is collecting data to go back there and Uganda and help these adult survivors of the war, because I am the vice president of the NZE Foundation, but I know what I need help with, but it's not the same with everybody out there. So let's come together and we collect as much as information as possible so that we go and give help to our society, give help to our community. This is another way also we can uplift our society as Acholi. So anyway, everybody have a wonderful day, and I'll keep playing this song for Boss Make.
All the success you want,
That's it.
work with the government.